In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a rain detector using a water sensor. I'll also explain how to use the sensor effectively in your projects. So, let's get started. To make this project, you'll need an Arduino, a water sensor, a buzzer, and a few jumper wires. Connect everything according to the circuit diagram. I'll leave a link of the diagram in the description. After connecting everything, use a USB cable to connect your Arduino to your laptop or computer. Next, open the code provided in the description. In the code, you'll notice a value set to 800. Adjust this if you want the buzzer to activate with less water or more water. Once done, select the correct board and port, then click the Upload button. And that's it. Your rain detector is ready to use. If you enjoyed this project, check out my other Arduino tutorials, like automatic irrigation, temperature and humidity monitoring on an OLED, and gas value monitoring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting projects. See you in the next video.